Good evening, everybody. I want to thank the Chambers for having me here this evening. I'm Sam Oliverio, 18 years on the county legislature, Army veteran, assistant principal at Putnam Valley High School. And I'm running for county executive because I believe very strongly that the priorities of county government have got to be the health and safety of its residents with a heavy emphasis upon infrastructure and environment. I believe that balanced government is the best government, and one-party rule disenfranchises the majority of our residents. I believe that the excess sales tax that we make every year, in essence, between $1 million and $2.5 million a year, excess sales tax should go back to the towns. A part of that should go back to the towns who provided the infrastructure and the home for these businesses. I believe that the endless bonding that has been going on in this county to a tune of $70 million, we are in debt, $70 million. That's half our budget. I believe that that bonding has to cease. $15 million in the past 3 years. We can't always get what we want, but we should bond what we need. We need, not what we like or what we want. I believe that every community should have a senior center, and no senior center should ever be leased, and no senior kitchen should ever be closed down. I believe that we need to hire for our highest paying positions qualified Putnam residents before we even begin to look beyond our borders. Those highest paying jobs, the individuals who occupy those positions should be vetted in the county, paying our taxes, being vested here. I believe that the county executive needs to tighten their belt during tough economic times. So I will lower the county executive salary from $148,000, sorry. Yeah, we'd love that, wouldn't we? $148 million, $148,000 to $102,000. And that's still 3 times what the legislature makes. I believe that the county executive needs to be the community liaison. We don't need a community liaison. The county executive has to be the spokesperson for the public, the people's voice. And that voice should be screaming to Albany, change our school taxes to be based upon income, not property. Property is driving all our residents out of this county, the property tax. It is onerous, it is suffocating. We need to go with income. Finally, I believe that politics have to end when the election is over and government has to take over. And ultimately, this is the people's county, not the county of the favored few, the people's county. And if you believe like I do, on November 4th, vote for me for county executive. I will never let you down. God bless and thank you all for having me here this evening. Thank you.